have gathered today for the purpose of joining this man, Stephen, and this woman, Stephanie, in the estate of matrimony. If anyone here can show just cause why these persons should not be lawfully joined together, let him declare it, vow to hold his or her peace. That's the indication that I'll proceed.
Classic.
By mutual commitment to love each other, both will bring an atmosphere of care, consideration, and respect. By willingness to face the tensions and anxieties in the human life, you can make your wedding life beautiful. Dear Lord, grant this couple mature and loving, live it together in such a way as it will bring shame or heartache to their marriage. May their hearts be tempered with kindness and understanding, and rid of all pretenses and jealousies. And together, may they meet the cares and problems of life. May they find contentment, love, and consent to live together as husband and wife, as long as you both shall live. Now, will you, Stephen? Will you have Stephanie to be your wedding wife?
I will.
I, Stephen, take thee, Stephanie,
I, Stephen, take thee, Stephanie,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to love and to comfort,
to love and comfort,
to honor and to keep,
to honor and keep,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
and forsaking all others,
and forsaking all others,
keep myself only to you,
keep myself only to you,
so long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Now will you, Stephanie, will you have Stephen to be your wedded husband? I, Stephanie, take thee, Stephen,
I, Stephanie, take thee, Stephen,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to love and to comfort,
to love and to comfort,
to honor and to keep,
to honor and to keep,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
and forsaking all others,
and forsaking all others,
keep myself only to you,
myself only to
so long as we both shall live.
you, so long as you both shall live.
Accept this ring
Accept this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love and fidelity.
of my love and fidelity.
Accept this ring
Accept this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my love and
of
fidelity.
my love.
Love is patient and kind. Love is not jealous or conceited or proud or provoked. Love does not keep a record of wrongs. Love is not happy with evil, but is pleased with the truth. Love never is up to its faith. Hope and patience never fails. Love is giving with no thought of getting. It is tenderness enfolding with strength to protect. It is forgiving without further thought of a thing forgiven. It is quiet in the midst of turmoil. It is trust of God without thought of self. Love is the one thing no one can take from us, the one thing that we can give constantly and become increasingly rich in the giving. It cannot hurt or be hurt. but is the purest reflection of God. Your promise of love, bless a special day, is a promise of beautiful tomorrows together, tomorrows of caring and sharing. Love, like the circle of a wedding band, is endless. Your promise of love is yours to treasure forever, and for those who you. And we'll echo the happy songs. And as you join hands, may you always remember this thing. Where is you, Stephen? And you, Stephanie? Have, in accordance with the laws of the state of Louisiana, have pledged your truth and blood. By virtue of authority vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. It is my pleasure to introduce for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Stephen Deering.